Hi guys, hi ma'am. So, I am King Cloben Tampos Abelgas and this is the continuation of our topic. So, the first one is people-based and personality intensive. So, it is all about how people interact or how workers interact to their guests because it affects what they feel or it based on their mood or it can change the mood of the customers. So, based on the example, so if the travel agent is rude, you don't want to book the ticket. So for them, they can't earn money. And it can also ruin the reputation of the company that you're working on as a worker. And another example is when you are trying to interact with customers and you're having a good chat with them, it can lighten their mood and have a good vacation. That's why businesses needs to hire a good communicator or need to train them well for them to have a good and working workplace. So the next one is service providers or product. So so service providers has a big impact on your travel. So depende ra na sa ilaha, nakadepende pud di ay sa ilaha og kung kamusta ang imong mood kay on same sa state ra nga how they act, know and look counts. Because look counts kay for example, hapit na ka mawala sa imong mood ya. Makabagat ba jud ka kanang grumpy or mataray nga kanang kanang mo entertain si mo so mas mapikaw di ka og samot. And it can change your mood to into a good mood, especially if kung nasa sila experience, din mo share sila. And recommend sila kung say mas maayo. And so it can lighten your mood. So same po sa state sa example nga if you have the or if you're following the usual nga routes sa airplane, they can recommend something nga kanang mas ma-entertain ka or mo stop somewhere nga kanang basin deg malipay ka or kanang ganahan ka. So the next one is consumer or products plus more participation. So it means you are part of the service. So ikaw ang parte ka sa giserbisyoan or giserbisyoan ka. You need to participate more or mo voice out ka kung sa imong need. Kay mo po na ang gihatag sa mga service providers ang imuhang need o imong satisfaction. Maong ganahan ka og quiet room para makalma ka or ma-relax. So mas better og mangayo ka para ihatag kanila og kanang room nga walay ka tapad and for you to relax. And dili po di mo ang satisfaction ra imong i-mind. So if you want for a better trip for everyone, so you need to have a nice behavior po para di po ka maka-distract sa uban. Kaysa tourism ang serbisyo man ang imong gipalit and you can ask for anything you need. So brand loyalty. So this is the next one. You might try new vacation spots but often stay loyal to services like your go-to airplane. So mas lahin mo itong naanda no ay kanang mas they know us better and kanang kibaw sila sa atong ganahan or mas prefer na to. For example, sa kung sa aeroplano pa, mas ganahan ka og kanang lapit sa window seat, nga na. So, mas better og mas loyal tayo. Makasave po ta kay mahatag mo sila og discount, especially suki na. So, the next one is kaning supply dependence. So, the next one is kaning supply dependence. So, supply dependence, you can only use tourism services where they're located. Hotels are where they are. Restaurants are in busy spots. In short term, you can't make more rooms or plane seats overnight. So, og unsa rang naa diha or unsa nga available mo ra gyud imong pwede gamiton kay it doesn't mean nga mag-need ka nga nag-need man ka og kanang rooms kanang makabuhat dayon ka. So kanang need mo i-maximize ang kanang unsa ra ang naa diha. So supply dependence or magsalig ka unsa ra ang supply or ang service nga mahatag sa usa ka kanang tourism nga kanang connected sa tourism. So the last one is teamwork and control. So sa kaninga part is tinabangay gid ang kailangan sa tourism kay for example same sa gihatag nga kanang complementary sectors nga trip need plane, hotel, restaurant and attraction to work together. So did gyud magtinabangay ang tanan and mag-click tanan para ma-enjoy ug ma-satisfy ka as a tourist. So sa same sa example, if delayed flight ruin your hotel check-in. So if kung ngana kuan ka ma-delay mong flight, then ang hotel mo kay nakaset na adlaw, nya mabot ka dito sa imong hotel kay human na ang adlaw nga nakaset. So dapat teamwork yun, dapat mo connect yun ang tanan. So step by step mo work so para ma-satisfy ka as a kuan gyapon tourist.